Duff, and I'm here in Chicago at the County BBQ, where today we're going to learn how to make some delicious bird dog whiskey cocktails. Haley, what do you teach me how to make today?
Yeah, so today we're going to be making the Southern Sipper. So it's basically our spin on an old fashioned. So all you need is a few ingredients. You need a little bit of simple syrup, about 2.25 ounces.
Okay, simple enough.
Yeah, and then you just need a little bit, a few dashes of orange bitters. And then we're gonna do a little bit more than a few dashes of chocolate bitters, because why not? Everybody loves some chocolate.
I do.
And then we're going to add some ice to the cocktail. And then to top it off, we're just gonna take our Bird Dog peanut butter whiskey, and we're gonna do 2 ounces.
Ooh, so peanut butter and chocolate and a little bit of orange. This is like such a great combination.
And then we're gonna give it a nice stir. And we are going to garnish it with an orange peel.
I love it. So it's like a peanut butter chocolate old fashioned.